Hello, welcome to my demo of my fourth application built using MAVO. And this application, what it does essentially is it allows you to create beautiful radial gradient designs using these controls. So what we'll be doing in the demo is recreating these two examples so that you could get an understanding of how to use this application. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing we need is the shape, and the shape is a circle. We click on the drop down and we selected circle. Now we need the size, which is the furthest corner. So we come down to the size drop down and we find furthest corner. As you can see, as we make our changes, they are added in this output here. Now what we need is a position where it says at 20%, 20%. Now this is a position, so we first need to change the position type. First, the position type will be at none, so you could either select precision, where you use pixels and percent to change the specific location where you want your gradient to begin, or you could select general, where you could use all these different position types like top, top left, top right, etc. So what we need is a specific location, 20%, 20%, so we need precision. So then both of them are percent, value 1 and value 2. And we need both of them to be at 20%. Now, as you can see, when I use the range slider, it automatically changes the value over here, the first one. So as you can see, is at 18, and we need it at 20%. So let's change it to 20%. Yep, and the second one is already at 20%. Now, we need to add colors and the values. So we need red 5% and we need green with 10%. So the first one is red. Click on the percent because we're using percent, and 5%. So if I could just get this a 5, yep. And now we need to add another color and then change it to green. And then click percent. Now we need this at 10%. So we're at 13. 10%, and that is our gradient. So now let's move on to the next example. Let's remove these colors by just hovering over the color and clicking on the trash icon, and reset these to none. So let's begin. The shape is a circle, and now we immediately go to colors. We don't need a size, nor do we have to worry about the position type. So we add a new color, change it to light blue. Now we need a value of 28%. 27, 28. Let's add another color. It's going to be crimson percent, and this time it's going to be 48%. 40%. Now, if you were to change the position type to general, you would see that as I change the locations, you see in my output that the gradient, the start of the gradient begins to move around. Switch it back to precision. This concludes the demo of my repeating radial gradient generator, and I hope that you use this application in your projects, and leave a comment and say if you like the project.